I found this website and it's cool as fuck. It lets you see how objects would look on both the globe Earth and the flat Earth. And it lets you do it at the same time. Do you see the difference? You see how on the right it appears that that bar is going over a curve and being hidden by a curve, but on the left it just gets smaller? I did a video yesterday. Let's see. He was 6 foot tall. The lighthouse was 13 miles away. And the lighthouse was 95 foot tall. Now, in that video, he was talking about how the lighthouse should be hidden by 3/4. Shouldn't be able to see anything but the top of it. And he made a point that you can see the whole thing. You shouldn't be able to. Should be hidden by curve. And it's the same with boats.
Curvature of the Earth horizon model of science. Watch as ships sail away.
They don't disappear all at once.
No, first, the bottom will disappear. See, the bottom of the ship is gone. Now we can see midway up, and then the whole thing disappears.
Okay, you have a boat that's 7 foot tall. You move the distance. It only goes to like 4 or 5 miles before the top of it disappears completely. In the video, he zoomed out at the beach, can't see anything, zooms in, sees a boat on the horizon, going away. And it doesn't do what Bill Nye says. It doesn't go over the curve and disappear behind the curve. It actually looks like it starts to float above the water. You do see the bottom disappear, but it's not for the reason he said. It's disappearing because of the mirage effect, and you can tell it's a mirage because it's mirroring what's above it. It's like an exact copy. Compare what's happening in the video with what's happening in the diagram, and tell me which one it looks like to you. Here's another clip from that video. Notice the birds on the beach. He zoomed out, zooms all the way in. There's a boat out on the horizon floating above the water. Compare that with the diagram. Compare that to what he said. What we see does not match what they tell us happens. And it's the same with airplanes. Okay, we're flat on the ground. You see that blue line that says eye level? The higher you go, the higher it goes. But on the globe side, the ground curves down. It starts curving down as soon as you leave the ground. And the view from an airplane, as soon as you leave the ground, it doesn't start curving down. It matches the diagram on the left, the flat earth side. It does not match the diagram on the right.